We've got a sweet little episode for you today. Both of our female rabbits gave birth at exactly the same time, and this time I had a camera on hand to capture all the behavior involved with that process. We've got two rabbits that are pregnant right now, and they both just started building their nests. I thought it'd be interesting to show you guys what that process looks like. Are you being a good little bunny mom? You can probably see Marigold is pulling out her own fur, and that's the normal part of building a nest for the baby bunnies. Daisy here has obviously been pulling out her fur as well. This is actually the first time I've seen the bunnies actually do the fur pulling like this. What a good little bunny mom. Doing your thing. Build a nice soft nest for your babies. I think it really happens this fast. Really?
Yeah, see look. See the little face?
I can't see, but that's all right.
I told you it was imminent. I can tell by the way they were acting that they were like, okay, it's time. I've never seen her deliver. She always does it in the bomb.
That is a good point. We've only ever seen the result of the delivery. We haven't ever actually seen these bunnies giving birth. We've only ever come back and just been surprised. Oh, there's baby bunnies. So we've bred Daisy with Peanut Butter, and Peanut Butter was a baby bunny from Marigold. Marigold has been bred to Clifford. So all of these babies should be purebred New Zealand rabbits. It's part of the delivery process, I think. Gonna do an official count, Wendy?
No. I'll give them.
Just give them a few minutes.
I'll do a nice count when it's nice and cool and they've been in there for a few more hours than this. Oh my goodness. Right. Big pile, Bunny.
Oh boy.
And she's working on cleaning them up. Ugh. Yep, good mama. Yeah, you're all bloody.
What a good job.
Lots of babies there.
They seem very active.
Yeah, they always are. One of them's not moving around, that's what I'm looking at. One of them's just laying there.
Yeah, that one that's still a little worrisome. It's hard to tell. There is one baby bunny that isn't moving at all, so it doesn't look good for that one. But Marigold's bunnies are very active, and that's a good sign. The rest of them, at least.
Go away. Thank you.
Protect those babies. Don't let that big scary Wendy get more of your babies. What do you think, Clifford? Are you a proud papa? Are you a proud papa, Clifford? Oh, 5 baby bunnies and 1 dead one. For Marigold and Clifford.
Babies are back. I know. Okay, babies. Oh, they're squeaky. Hi.
Only 3 babies for Daisy this time. As luck would have it, bunnies aren't the only babies we have around here. There's also the baby bird in the second round of birds for this nest that they put on the top of a ladder. The whole process from the start when Marigold and Daisy started building their nests till they were done having these baby bunnies was only about 2 hours. It's been about a week, and this is what the bunnies look like once they've had a chance to get a little fur on them. They still haven't opened their eyes yet. I wanted to wait a week so I could have some footage of the really cute baby bunnies for the end of this video. You can always tell Daisy's bunnies because they're really fat and chubby. Daisy likes to feed her little baby bunnies quite a bit, I guess.